Hello, I'm going to show you how to buy Steam games with Steam Wallet. So what you need is a Steam account, enough Steam Wallet balance. First step is open Steam, launch Steam app, or go to store.steampowered.com, log into your Steam account, then find the game you want, use the search bar or browse categories, click on the game title, then add to cart. On the game page, click add to cart, then click purchase for myself or as a gift if you're buying for someone else. Select payment methods. Steam will automatically detect your Steam Wallet balance. Choose Steam Wallet as the payment method. It will be selected by default if funds are enough. Then confirm purchase. Review the order, click purchase. You'll get a confirmation email and the game will start downloading. To add funds to Steam Wallet, go to account details from Steam menu, click add funds to your Steam Wallet, choose an amount and pay using card, PayPal or other options. And that's it.